Hello, you're welcome to our chemistry channel, Chemistry with Chris. In today's lesson, we are looking at empirical formula. Empirical formula. How do you define empirical formula? Empirical formula of a compound can be defined as the simplest formula which shows the simplest ratio of atoms in one molecule of the compound. Empirical formula of a compound can be defined as the simplest formula of the compound which shows the simplest ratios of atoms in one molecule of the compound. Now we are looking at calculation of empirical formula. How do you calculate the empirical formula of a compound? How to calculate empirical formula of a compound? Let's look at this example. A compound contains 28.6% magnesium, 14.3% carbon, and 57.1% oxygen. Calculate its empirical formula. How do you start? The first step is to write the symbol of the element. Write the symbol of the element. You have magnesium, that's Mg. Carbon, ratio carbon is C. Ratio oxygen, O. Then write their percentage composition that you are given. The percentage composition of the element that you are given. Magnesium is 28.6. Ratio carbon is 14.3. Ratio oxygen is 57.1. The next step is to divide this percentage composition by the relative atomic masses of the elements. Divide the percentage composition by the relative atomic masses of the element. That is, you have 28.6. Magnesium is 24. Ratio 14.3. Carbon is 12. Divided by oxygen, that is the ratio oxygen, divided by 16. If I divide 28.6 divided by 24, that will give me 1.192. Ratio 14.3 divided by 12, that also give me 1.192. Ratio 57.1 divided by 16, that gave me 3.5688. 3.5688 or 3.569 to 3 decimal places. Then the next step is to divide these ratios now by the smallest among them. 1.192, 1.192, 3.569. So the smallest is 1.192. So divide by the smallest. So you have 1.192 over 1.192. Ratio 1.192 over 1.192. Ratio 3.569 divided by 1.192. So if I divide this by this, I will have 1. Then divide this by this, we have 1 also. Ratio, then divide this by this, that you have 3.5 divided by 1.192. That will give me 2.994. Then approximate to the nearest whole number. You have 1 here, ratio 1, ratio 3. Then write the elements with this ratio now. You have Mg1 here, carbon 1, this carbon 1, then oxygen 3. Then this one and this one, you can neglect them. So the formula will be MgCO3. So the molecular formula of the compound is MgCO3. So this is how to calculate empirical formula of a compound. More examples are still coming for better understanding. If you are new to our channel, subscribe to our YouTube channel at Physics with Chris, Chemistry with Chris, Maths and Further Maths with Chris. Bye.